Downer has a really big fleet, and so when the plant team came to us and said they had 8 new vehicles that were coming online, we were really excited. It gives us an opportunity to put some mobile billboards out there in the public, and people can see a little bit more about the Downer experience and the brand experience that they expect from Downer. It also gave us an opportunity to showcase our diversity partnership with New Zealand Rugby and to set the scene that we are a leader in diversity, and here's the message here. So you can see that this is driving around parts of New Zealand and people can see that every day, and that's really important to us.
New Zealand Rugby and Downer both share a diverse array of ethnicities, races and gender, and we really wanted to form the partnership on the basis of that, and culminated in a great beginning with the match in Rotorua between the Māori All Blacks and Fiji, and then again it's just evolved over time with the Black Fern and the Black Fern Sevens being involved too.
The partnership between New Zealand Rugby and Downer came about through our Young Professionals program and our Te Ara Whanaki program. We had a young graduate who wanted to get Dr. Farah Palmer to come and speak, and that really started the conversation, and from there we were able to then focus on a relationship that had all of the elements of high performance, leadership, diversity, and the teams that we ended up sponsoring really showcase those pieces. That's important to Downer because Downer has our points of difference, helping to build a stronger New Zealand, the diversity of our people, that's where our own different program comes from. And also then the engagement of our people, so being able to go to the games and be a part of the experience was really important to us too.
To be honest, the truck, wow, how good. The black, the logos, the Downer branding, the team branding, it's pretty special, and I think it's pretty amazing that they're going to be in different areas of the community and kind of champion what we're trying to portray as a partnership together, and also as a former professional asphalt wheelbarrower. It's pretty special to see. The 3 teams that form this partnership all make a critical piece of New Zealand Rugby as our wider identity, but within that each team holds, I guess, their own different uniqueness in their own identity. For instance, the Māori All Blacks are very synonymous with Māori and Te Ao Māori, and bringing Māori into their performance and to the way they perform on a rugby field. And then from a Black Ferns and Black Ferns Sevens point of view, obviously champion everything there is to being a woman, and it's the fastest growing area of our sport. So in their own right, they champion that piece of the puzzle for New Zealand Rugby. So they form the greater ecosystem of rugby, but at the same time be different in their own way.
I've been working with the plant team for over 5 years on branding up the fleet, and so when I saw this concept come to life and saw it out there for real, I was so excited by it. There's so much more to this than what we normally have in our vehicles, and it's really exciting, and I can't wait to see them out in the community.